what is Barkhausen criteria in oscillators. So we have seen what are oscillators. Oscillators are nothing but which are derived from the amplifiers. By doing some modification to amplifiers, we have constructed the oscillator. So what is that we are going to define the oscillator is nothing but the modified amplifier which gives output with no external input signal, but the input signal is not external, it is internally derived from the amplifier's own output through the feedback networks. So this is what you have seen in the previous discussion. So this arrangement of the modified amplifier with positive feedback, that is the feedback voltage Vf is in phase with Vin, is referred as oscillator. So what this oscillator contains? It contains the amplifier plus feedback network. So the in amplifier, what is the input and output? Output is V0 and input is Vin. So output voltage by input voltage with phase reversal of 180 degree is A equal to V0 by Vin, but the phase is 180 degree. 180 degree phase reversal is going to happen between Vin and V0. Now the feedback is derived from the feedback network, and feedback is the beta feedback factor. This feedback factor is also defined as output divided by input. The output voltage of the amplifier becomes the input to the feedback network. And what is the output of feedback network? It is Vf. So output is Vf and input is Vin. Vf by V0, and again this feedback network is going to perform the phase reversal between V0 and Vf by 180 degrees. So beta equal to Vf divided by V0 and the phase is 180 degree. And if at all we adjust the Vin, the external input voltage, if we make it equal to Vf, then what is the thing we are going to have? In that case, when this Vin is made equal to Vf, and after that if we take the product of A and beta, then what is going to happen? V0 by Vin into Vin by V0. So Vin cancels and V0 cancels. We are left with 1. And this 180 plus 180 is either 360 degree or it is similar to 0 degree. So when we take the product of the gain A and the feedback factor beta, A beta, which we call it as loop gain, then we are going to have with respect to oscillators as 1 with the phase of 0 degree or 360 degree. And this, the product of A beta, is referred as Barkhausen criteria for oscillators. And if at all we want the sustained stable oscillations at the output, then we want this loop gain to be 1 and this phase shift should be either, the phase shift around the loop should be equal to either 0 degree or 360 degree. This is what the explanation of Barkhausen criteria.